Photoshop for Beginners Chapter 1. What is Photoshop, who is it suitable for, and who doesn't need that? So, Adobe Photoshop is one of the most famous and well-known programs in the world, mainly for editing, retouching, designing and manipulating images. It is used by professionals, by photographers, graphic designers and artists to create and enhance digital images. It is an excellent choice for those who demand high-quality results and are willing to spend time learning the complex software. However, the software may not be suitable for everyone. First of all, it's important to know that the software costs money and the subscription is a monthly subscription from Adobe. But the most important thing that will help you understand whether the software is for you or not for you, and this is something very critical in the world of design, that Photoshop is a primarily pixel-based software. For beginners, the definition of it is quite complex, but basically it means that it's not recommended, for example, to design a logo in Photoshop or an icon, because those are better done in Adobe Illustrator software that uses vector graphics, which are mathematical equations that define geometric shapes, which allow infinite enlargement without losing quality or resolution, and that makes it ideal for designs that need to be resized frequently. I know it maybe sounds confusing, so I'll show you an example and you understand what it's all about. This is a drawing with a brush we made in Photoshop. If we enlarge it, we will immediately start to see the pixels. And this is a brush drawing that we did in Illustrator. We can scale it up and down as much as we want, even to a size of entire 50-floor huge building if we like it. Alright, I can talk about the difference between pixel technology and vector technology for hours, because there are many differences. But I guess you got the idea now, and maybe now you will understand whether Photoshop is for you or not for you. If Photoshop is for you, we will continue to Chapter 2 here on the channel. In Chapter 2, we will learn how to correctly open a new file in Photoshop, and we will explain everything about the new file panel. Please help this channel by subscribing, liking and commenting this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.